Hi, this is Brian with Rocky Mountain Snow Guards. Today we're going to be going over the S-5 NH-1.5 Clamp. So this clamp is used to connect the color guard snow fence to standing seam metal roofs. In particular, this is going to be an 1.5" nail rip. One of the features of this clamp is that it has an insert that will slide into the front here, and its purpose is to bend to form to the seam. So the set screws are going to push against it. It's going to create proper fitment, but it's also going to ensure that there's no damage to the panel. Torque rating on this is typically between 11 and 15 pounds, so that's going to be panel specific. It's held to this color guard snow fence with a Versa clip on top, as well as an M8 bolt that fastens into it. Every minor box of clamps is going to include S-5's installation instructions. So on here, you're going to have installation tips, as well as the proper torque rating. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Our email address is info@rockymountainsnowguards.com. Our phone number is 720-379-7756. Thank you.